Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? So in this video I'm going to color my hair, and this is the second time I'm using this color, number 3 darkest brown. This is the best color for me. Literally I love it so much. It comes with the instruction and a developer, like literally it doesn't has like that much of product in it, but literally it's enough for my hair. I just love this color. It's such a gorgeous shade, and it also comes with this color cream, and literally this shampoo is just wow, so good. And also comes with this mask which you apply after the shampoo, and yeah, literally I love it. So let's go and color my hair. Also comes with the gloves and this applicator, and I can see few grays here, that's why I want to color. Yeah, I'm going to mix this and color, and then I'll be right back. All mixed, gloves on, and now let's color the hair. Literally I'm so excited because it's been a while, and I'll be right back after coloring. And it's like 5:37 p.m. now, and today is 20th of March. I'm doing it. I did the roots everywhere, but I left this part like halfway down. So yeah, I'll be washing after 1 hour, and then I'll be right back. This is the result. Like literally it's just so beautiful. I love it so much, and it has covered the grays I had. I only had few grays anyway. So let's do this makeup. If you want to see, keep on watching. Okay, so let's begin. First I'm applying this serum as a primer. So I have moisturized my face earlier, but I'm using this serum by Evan, which is really good. And now I'm going to just apply this foundation, and this foundation is a matte poreless foundation, which is good and it's buildable. So yeah, I'm just using this sponge which I got from Shein. I love it. I use it for everything, and I have applied just one coat, and then I'm doing my brows. I love this brow powder by Model Rock. It's really good in the shade Ebony, and I'm just like applying this powder on my brows today. I'm not doing anything else, and literally I just love this brow powder so much. Like I'm using it all the time. If you are watching me from the beginning, like you should have seen, I have been using this a lot. Like it's such a gorgeous ebony color. Like it's not that dark, but it matches my hair really well. So if you're doing the brows, like your brows should match your hair for me. And like literally I'm just applying some concealer, and I'm using this sample which I got from like Sephora. I think it's by Bye Bye under eye concealer. Like literally it's good, and I've got quite a lot of samples, so that's why I'm using this all the time. Like when you buy like things from Sephora, you get lots of samples. Like when you are member since long, like you get lots of samples. So yeah, I'm just blending it off with again this sponge which I got from like Shein. Like I got lots, and this powder is a powder foundation by like L'Oreal. Like literally this is so good. If you apply one coat of foundation and then apply this powder, like you can apply this powder foundation itself, but like I'm applying on top of the foundation to get a flawless coverage. And like literally I love it so much. And I'm just using this Wet n Wild bronzer to bronze my face very lightly. I just don't want like heavy makeup today. So yeah, it was my anniversary, so yeah, I was doing this makeup, and I filmed a couple of videos on that day. Like 21st of March is my wedding anniversary day. So yeah, I was just getting ready, and like literally I will be changing the clothes too. And I'm just using this highlighter by Sephora. This is my favorite, and I'm using this for a while now. Like literally it's beautiful. It comes with like 5 shades, which is good, and like very pigmented as you can see. And yeah, I'm just applying it here and there as you can see. And literally this highlighter is just wow. Today I have applied this bronzer, then highlighter, and now I'm applying this Revolution Pro blush. Like literally this blush palette is so pigmented. I just love it so much. You just have to apply a little bit of this blush. Like literally it's just very pigmented. I'm not using like any filter, and literally you can see my makeup looks so flawless. Just finishing it off with this setting spray by Rimmel, and now I'm just applying this brown shade on the eyelid, and I'm just applying like all over to my eyes, and literally just one shade. And I'm using this Jaclyn Hill palette today, and yeah, it's just simple brown eyes I'm doing with a shimmer shade on the eyelid, and just applying 2 shades today. And then like I'm just going to blend on the crease area so that everything looks very smooth. And then I'm using the same brown shade on the lower lash line, and then applying a dark, like this one is a black shade I think, so just applying very close to the lower lash. And now I'm applying this Maybelline pen liner, which is my favorite. Like pen liners are just so easy to apply, and like literally it's just gorgeous. And then I'm applying these lashes which is by Model Rock, with this lash glue which is by Sephora. Like literally I can't talk. So yeah, you have to wait for a while for the glue to get tacky, then you apply, so that it's easy. And yeah, just applied some liner to the waterline area, and this mascara is a waste. I think I just don't like this W7 mascara at all. And now I'm just applying this dark brown liner to the waterline, and I don't know which liner is this because I got it from eBay, and like they are so pigmented. Like literally I have tried this Wet n Wild lipstick, like it's a matte liquid lipstick, and like literally it broke. Then I applied a red one on top. Like literally I have got so many of these lipsticks, and I have to like find a good applicator for that lipstick, because like it's such a gorgeous color and it's just broken now. Literally the lipstick shade looks so gorgeous. I just love it. Like the 2 shades, I mixed it together. I think it looks really nice. So yeah, this is the end result. The hair color looks really nice. I love it. This is my favorite color since I have tried it. The first time I applied this color, I have uploaded the video. You should watch that video. You will know more. And I literally like the color. It's really nice. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I do post every day, nearly every day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.